Whiskey, come here.
Hey.
Good boy. Maladiet. Oh, Melody. Oh, he gave me a kiss. Hey, baby. Oh, it's so windy today.
Yeah. Oof.
We're gonna get down there, and then we're gonna be like, nope.
Whiskey gonna be like,
I mean, look at the swing.
you decided to take me today? Yeah, the swing's kind of fun.
Yeah. All the trash cans are knocked over except for ours.
Because ours is full?
No. They dumped it. They dumped it. Let them smell it.
Help.
It's gonna be perfect. Oh. He's got the wheel spokes that stick out 2 feet. That's crazy.
Yeah, I thought it's like he was carrying something. That's crazy.
I think the camera got it. We'll see.
Yeah? Can I help you?
Melody,
Why is he
Why you
shaking?
shaking, huh?
Why are you shaking?
Why you shaking, Whiskey?
I'm scared. Help.
Alright.
Driving level 10.
Level 10? I am level 10.
Vicky, want to do something?
What's big?
It's all windy today. I got an email from the rental company or whatever saying that we need to leave our water like dripping overnight.
Dripping?
There's a freeze warning. Yeah. So our pipes don't freeze and bust. Oh, but tonight's supposed to get down to like 20 something.
What?
Getting down to 37 tonight, 32 tomorrow, 31, 24, 19 degrees. That's gonna be cold. Yeah, so we're gonna have to. It's so cold. Where's the snow? Hope it snows. Please snow.
Yeah.
What are you saying? What'd you say?
We are warriors too.
We are the champions. What do you think? We are the warriors.
It's a warriors. It's the name of the song. Warriors.
I don't know. I don't think
No,
that's
it
right.
says warriors. Swear to God.
Yeah, it does say we are warriors, but not at that part.
What champions? Where you took that from?
We
It's completely
are the
different
champions
song,
that
my
built
friend.
This. No, not.
No.
We are
They
the
never say we are
champions, my
champions.
friend. Don't make me play it. 'Cause
I'm
now
fine.
I need to know. Now I need to know.
I'm gonna find it.
I got it. I got it right here. Warriors is the name of the song.
Yeah.
We
so why
are
you
the
say-
champions that built this town. Let's see. We are the warriors that built this town. I thought it was champions. We are the champions that built this town. She was right. 90% of the time she's wrong.
I'm gonna rewatch it. No,
Yeah. You're gonna enjoy this moment. You
That's
gotta
not true.
soak it in.
I'm always right.
Yeah.
Whiskey, put your
Hold on, Wednesday.
Whiskey, hold your butt.
Hold your butt.
Whiskey.
Are you okay, Whiskey? You okay?
Подавился, да.
You okay, Whiskey?
Ой, ты подавился, маленький, да? Ой.
Papa, no break. Like, look how choppy that water is. It's crazy, man. Oh, so windy.
Whiskey.
Oh my god.
You change your mind?
I can't even open that door. It's gonna rip my door open. Oh, I'm gonna get blown away. So. It's not cold at all.
Just a little bit wind. A little bit.
Whiskey. Look at Whiskey getting blown away. Whiskey. Oh, goodness. Yeah, Whiskey. What is it, Whiskey? Oh my God, I'm getting sprayed with water. Oh. Okay, that's enough park for today, Whiskey said. I don't have too much groceries. That water's so rough. I used to go fishing with weather like this. I hated it. I lost my hat 4 times.
I lost all my eyelash.
Did they fly off? Did your eyelash? You said I lost all my eyelashes. Oh, Whiskey, how you feeling, huh?
I fucked up.
Fucked up.
I'm cold, Mom. You okay? Oh, he's so scared. I can hold him.
It's not, it feels like a wake up. Like being in that weather for a little bit. Like my body's like...
Oh, I'm tired. I was struggling for 5 minutes. I was like fighting somebody.
Oh, Whiskey happy? Got his tongue out, huh? Imagine if you would have took a piss and it came back and like was spraying him in the face or something. What kind of ham did you get last time? Does anybody remember when they used to sell lobsters in Walmart? Oh, those were the days. Energy drinks. What we got? What we got? What we got? Triple shot, double shot. Oh, nitro. Oh, here we go. We got the good stuff over here. Bang. I used to get like panic attacks off these. Prime is trash. Ghost is actually pretty good. My favorite. The blue raspberry. C4 is what I used to drink for the gym. It's pretty good. Oh, baby, yeah. Where's the girlfriend? I found the girlfriend. Peanut oil. We gotta get some of that. Oh.
Pharmacy to get vaccinated or make an appointment online at albertsons.com/vaccines.
Or this one.
Welcome.
Who is this?
I'm gonna get her one of these.
This looks like a cursed child.
I would play. You remember you got me for my birthday? You got that Warhammer stuff for me.
Yeah.
I would play it, but I don't think there's anybody here that plays it.
It's new. Hope so.
This is the last one they had left, and this is what she wanted. And someone decided they wanted it more without paying. Try something different this time.
No, that's a good brand.
The Batiste? Batiste?
Batiste.
It's a good brand.
It's
Batiste, you owe us
It works for
you
me.
owe us money for advertising. Just kidding.
blush.
Get the big one.
A blush.
Blush sounds like bleh.
Bleh.
Bleh. Bleh blush.
Bleh blush.
Bleh blush. Okay, you ready to check out?
Yeah.
You got your
Oh, my discs.
your disc. Oh, she needs some disc. Yes, those little like circle things that are like fabric or whatever, like cotton circle disc.
What the heck?
So this one right here,
Yeah, that's our thing now.
I stole it from Harper.
Mm-hmm.
Be like-
Sorry, Harper.
What are you doing?
Oh,
Where now?
wherever you want. Mini melts. It's like Dippin' Dots. So windy. So windy. See? What the hell?
You don't like it.
Stupid crow.
No, why?
I don't know. Hey, you fat bird. What are you doing?
Body shape.
You better run away. Oh. Okay, sushi time. I'm not usually a fan of spicy sushi, but I want to try it one time without any soy sauce or anything.
Oh, I was struggling to open this.
That's actually not bad. Smoked
Yeah.
salmon, crab salad, avocado, cream cheese, jalapeno, fried onions.
She probably smelled something.
Yeah, she's smelling it down there. Simba.
What's
Oh,
on the
look,
floor?
look, look.
Her face is like.
Baby, why do you use that soy sauce?
I like this one.
Let me try the salmon. I need to dip my salmon
I got skinny roll.
in your soy sauce.
You said you don't want muffle. Oh, skinny roll. Crab salad, cucumber.
Mmm.
Spicy mayo.
Mm-hmm. I love smoked salmon.
Is this smoked?
Mm-hmm.
What?
No, it's not.
Yeah. What's about to?
Anyway, it's delicious.
Yes, salmon is very delicious.
Smoked salmon is really good too.
You like it, I'm not a fan. I like the roll.
I think next time we go to Walmart or something, I'm gonna get crackers. And then when we go to Sam's Club, I'm gonna get some smoked salmon. Enjoy as a snack.
I got sushi without rice. Let's see how it goes. Never tried it before.
You like? Let's go.
Yeah. Cherry pie without crust. Just a cherry.
Cherry pie without crust. Whiskey, go. Honestly,
Yeah.
I could have just ate that. Like, I feel like if I ate all four of them, I'd be too full to eat. That's why I'm doing half and half.
You're on French fries right now.
Mm-hmm. I'm glad we found somewhere good.
Mm-hmm. But literally, we needed it.
Mm-hmm. Not too pricey either. Like for everything.
Yeah.
But if I just got this,
10.
yeah,
And this is 10.
yeah.
Each. We got a lot.
But we haven't had good sushi in a while, so.
You know how you come to the place and it's good and you want everything in there?
Yeah. Which we had sushi, if you guys remember, for New Year's, but that's still 12 days. It's a long time. Mm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, we're at Albertsons.